Hey everyone, this is your ECS 36A classmate Ayush with another tutorial video. This one I'll be showing you basically a recap of the past few weeks of class and a practical application side of it. So basically, hopefully after this video, I'll help you guys, I'll help your learning experiences become a little bit easier because you'll be more used to practically applying this stuff. So let's get started. First of all, pre-video requirement, make sure to connect to a Pulse Secure VPN in case you haven't already done so. Here's a link to learn how to download and install the VPN. And yeah, because that will, without connecting to the Pulse Secure VPN, MOBA Xterm, your connection to the CSIF computer won't work. So yeah, now what we'll do in this video, in summary, we'll create a C program, right here. We'll create a C program in Atom, and then we'll upload it to the CSIF and convert it to an executable and run it. And I'll also do a recap of like the file management stuff, stuff in MOBA Xterm. Okay, so first we have our C program. I created this in Atom. So, also I recommend you do this whole tutorial with me, like alongside me. So that way you'll learn a lot better. Okay, so I'll first save this. I'll call it, and now if I want to upload it to here, there's one method that I can just press this and find it, but there's another method which I recommend moreover, which is going to session and SFTP, and then type in your PC. And yeah. So basically what this panel shows is on the right side, you'll see your CSIF directory, the remote computer directory, and on the left side, you'll see your local directory. So now let's find on my local directory where that file is. It's in... and there we go, goat.c. So so if I want to upload it to the CSIF, I just drag it and drop it. And if I want to download stuff from the CSIF to my local computer, I can go to, let's see, downloads, and I can download thing.pdf, and by just dragging and dropping. Yeah, so that makes it, this tool makes it really easy to upload and download. So now I'll close it. And now I'll start with the basics of navigating the file management system, and commands for it. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, to see where you're in a current folder right now, to see where you are, you do pwd. This is my current location. If I want to see the files under me, I do ls. And if I want to view what's in one of these files, the blue ones are the folders and the other white ones are the files. If I want to see what's in one of the folders, I can do ls. Let's do first. And there's another folder in first. And if I actually want to step into the first folder, I can do cd first. And now I do ls, and I just see third. Now if I want to go back home, I do cd tilde. Now I'm back home. Now from home, okay, I want to show you this. Let's say I want to step into if I want to go into the third folder from home, I can't just do cd third. I have to provide the full path name, so and there we go. Now I'm in third, and I can do ls, and there's a file called wombat in third. Now I do cd. Now I'm back home. So yeah, make sure you get comfortable with that. I know I was pretty fast with that, so just make sure to practice. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, and then I'll show you some more commands, because these are pretty important. So ls-al, al will show you all the property. Well, I'll show you all the files and folders under you and their properties. So I don't have time to explain like how to understand what these properties mean right now. So I would definitely recommend going through the Linux tutorial. Yeah, the Linux tutorial to understand what these mean. And let's see what else. Okay, so also another thing is, let's say I type some gibberish and the compiler is trying to compile this gibberish and it won't stop. So I can end it by doing Control-C, and there we go. Now for removing files, let's do that. Okay, so first, I'll first show you creating a file. So you'll do so now I have hello.txt. I just created a file, and if I want to see what's in this text file, I can just do the cat command. It will show you what's inside something, so I run that and it will show me that. Now if I want to copy, okay, so let's say I want to rename hello.txt to wombat. Oops. Something's going on. Oh, it did it. Okay, so there we go. I have wombat right there. I do not know what just happened right there. Just ignore that, I guess. But anyway, I did. So now I'll just show you that again. Let's rename wombat to snake. And there we go. I have snake instead of wombat. Now, if I want to copy that, I do copy. Now I have a file called snake and a file called dog, and then I can do horse. And now if this is cat to see what's inside the file called dog, and I'll see the word hello, because dog is a text file that has the word hello in it. Now let's remove those files. So what this line does is rm for remove, and then -f makes it so that whatever you're removing, whenever you're removing it, it doesn't ask you, are you sure you want to remove this? Are you sure you want to remove this for each of the files you're trying to remove? And you just type the file that you want to remove, and then another file that you want to remove, and you keep on typing files that you want to remove on, and it'll remove all of them. So I just want to remove these, so let's enter, and then do ls to see that they're gone. Now, I also want to remove toy.c because we don't need that for this tutorial. And yeah, let's see what else is here. Okay, so if you want to remove everything with the name with a .pdf in it, you just use this command. And yeah. Next thing is to create a directory or create a folder, and you do that by now, as you can see, I have a folder thing in there. So if I want to remove a directory, I can do. Give me 1 second. So this is how you remove a directory. You have to do rmdir, not just rm. Remember, keep that in mind. And enter. And there we go, it's gone. So what else is there? Oh yeah, of course. Wait, hold on 1 sec. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but you can do, where is it? You can do cp and then an existing file and then a new file name, and then that will copy the file, so you create another file. I don't know if I already mentioned that. Anyway, now let's get to the fun stuff, the playing around with the executables. So I already have my file here called goat.c, and if I want to view my code, I can do there we go. Now, if I want to run it, I have to do this. There we go. And so basically it created an executable called bob.out, and it right after it created it, it tried to run it, and it came across an error in my code. So that's why you see this. Now, because of that, I can either like edit this code and then do the whole upload process again, upload it all the way till the remote computer CSIF again, or I can edit it from here. So what I do is I do that and enter, and it'll take me here. This is what the VI tutorial was about, editing code. So I'll do. Okay, so I know that the VI tutorial PDF did have like a lot of instructions, and it was hard to memorize that. So for this, I want you to just forget everything that you saw in there and just listen to what I'm saying right now. I don't want you to have like conflicting thoughts. So yeah, okay, so right now I'm in command mode. If I want to switch to insert mode, what I'll do is I just press I, and then that makes an insert pop up here. If I want to get back to command mode, just press escape, and I want to go back to insert, press I. And insert mode, it's basically like editing a normal text file. So you can press the up and down arrow keys to move around, and then you can so you can press the delete button to like delete something. So let's do enter, type some gibberish, delete. I'm just pressing delete button, or I can press backspace. That works too. And then if I want to, let's see. Okay, so let's fix the error in my code first. So I'll do delete, and then equals 0. And so yeah, what else should I show you guys? So yeah, that's basically it for like editing code. Pretty easy. And then hold on, let me see something. So if you press Control and then the left arrow, that will make you, so you can either like go to the left by pressing it individually a bunch of times, or if you press Control left, you can get to the left faster. That's just a shortcut to editing. And then, okay, let's go to command mode. And then if I want to move to some line, I do shift. I press colon and then move to line 4. Now I'm at line 4, and then I can. Let's go to insert mode and type some gibberish there, and then now let's go to command mode. And now if I want to delete that gibberish, I do press colon. What was that, line 7 or something? Yeah, and then I can just press DW to delete that word. And another command is DD to delete a whole line. So let's try this again. Let's type some gibberish and some more gibberish. Escape to command mode. And now I just press so colon 7. By the way, keep in mind that no matter where my cursor is, if I just press colon 7, it will just automatically type stuff down below right here. So that's, yeah. Now I want to delete this whole line. I press DD and then delete the whole line, DD. And if I want to delete like 3 lines after this, delete 3 lines after this, I'll press 3DD. And yeah, and I deleted too much right there, so I'll go back to insert and just put the end bracket. There we go. Now escape. Now to exit this VI editor, you press Shift colon again. You press the colon and then W key Q. So yeah, hopefully you guys understood that. Let me just like I think I was a bit too fast on that, so let me just show you again. So to edit the code, you do. And now to exit, you have to first make sure you're not in command mode. You press escape. I mean, not in insert mode, so you press escape to get into command mode. And then you press, you just type in :WQ, and no matter where your cursor is, it will put the stuff that you typed down below. So yeah, hopefully that was understandable. Yeah, and now, here. So it's, hold on. Here, what I'll do is there's like a problem. I don't see bob.out coming up here, so let me just fix that. Hold on. Okay, so I tried to locate where bob.out was, and there's something going wrong with I don't know what's happening, but I can't find bob.out. So anyway, like in a normal circumstance, I would see bob.out as like an executable file in the file that I put it in, I made it in. So right now, today I don't see that, so I can't show you it running properly. But yeah, that's the whole tutorial pretty much. I hope that helped. If you need any more guidance, definitely message me on Discord. My Discord username is that, and I'd love to help out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. Sorry I couldn't finish running it, and yeah, see you guys.